areas imetuletea madhara.
Riwruok mar piny owacho mar Fresh Produce Consortium ochako chenro mar duoko chien lal mabiro bang' kayo cham e puothe ma pacho ka. Jatatije mar riwruogno Okisegere Ojipat ne owacho ni lal matimore bang' golo cham e puothe kao nyaka atamalo 40 mag cham ma inyalo geng'. Ojipat wacho ni gibiro riwore kod piny owacho mondo gine kaka chiemo nyalo yudore moromo. Chenro biro chakore e kaunti 10 kaka Nakuru, Kirinyaga, Embu, Meru kod Nanyuki.
We lose globally between 40 to 60% of fruits and vegetables, which is a huge loss. We're losing approximately a third of the food that we produce. And together with partners, we have endeavored to ensure that these losses are reduced. And we're also here to ensure that the bank, Absa Bank, is able to provide facilities and support to the stakeholders to ensure that they get sufficient technologies to be able to minimize losses. This includes value addition products, processing, and any infrastructure that is required by the actors Absa Bank is able to provide.
As a bank, we are a partner of the agricultural value chain in Kenya and the fresh produce value chain in Kenya, and we provide an array of financial solutions from working capital needs, asset financing needs, term loans, acquisition of processing plants, aggregation plants, and all these are geared to ensuring that we play our role as a responsible lender in bringing possibilities to life.
Ramogi tuake iparo mar omenda ochomod bura